Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So in this lecture here, we're gonna go over some of the things that we spoke on the last lecture and make it a little bit more cleaner and clear on actually what sets are all about and how we can convert some of these data structures into sets, all right? So let's go ahead and create one here and let's just call it red. Let's do one here, blue. And let's do green, of course, RGB, right? Green, not greed, cheese, right? All right, so you can see this is how we can create, this is a set, all right? Now we can create, this is directly creating one, right? It looks like a dictionary, right? We use the curly braces here, but remember, dictionaries have labels, all right? So that's the difference there, all right? We can create an empty set. So let's do empty. And this one will be a set, of course. If you do something like this, let me just put a variable here for it. Remember that this is not a set, right? It's going to create an empty dictionary. Let's go ahead and let's do fruits here. Let's create a list. Let's do apples in here or apple. Orange, what is your favorite fruit? Orange, good. For me is bananas. Bananas, right there. Grapes, great. That's really good stuff. All right. Anyway, so let's go ahead and create, when we create a set from a list, let's go here and let's just choose apple again here. Right? When we have something that's repeated, what do we do? What is sets going to do? It's going to what? It's going to automatically remove this when it gives you that response back, right? You can check that out, of course, and we can say, give me the unique fruits, right? And we can do this. Let's go ahead and clear this out. And you can see here that we have that set that view here with just the unique items, right? All right. We can also do numbers. Let's have a tuple here that has a couple numbers. All right. And let's actually do this a little bit different here. Let me see. 2, 3. Let's repeat these numbers again here. And of course, remember, instead of unique fruits, we'll have unique numbers here. And that will create also a set, just like that, numbers. All right. All right. Now we can even convert strings into a set. So I can grab my deer bananas here. Amazing bananas in the Caribbean. They're delicious. They're delicious everywhere. But anyway, in the Caribbean, it's very delicious. We can just create one here called unique letters. So we can also create one from strings here. Now, of course, with strings, you're going to get this is going to split everything into characters. So if you do unique letters here, if you print that out, you're going to see that we'll get unique. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. This is actually not expanding like I wanted to. There we go. That's weird. All right. SNAB, right? Because the other ones are repeated. So it's going to give you a set of unique letters. Super cool, right? I love sets. I love using that, right? So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my tutorials. And that's it for this lecture. Keep going, continue, finish it. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.